This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by creating an isolated Python environment and installing core packages so versions stay consistent. Next, load your dataset and quickly profile it to understand types and missingness, because cleaning decisions depend on data shape and errors. Once done, select your target and feature set, split into training and test, for example, 80/20, and apply a scaler to numeric features so models train more reliably. This gives you a reproducible baseline to iterate from. You now build a baseline model to measure progress and avoid premature complexity. Simple estimators reveal signal quickly. Then, wrap preprocessing and the estimator in a pipeline so transformations never leak data. After that, tune hyperparameters using cross-validation and grid search CV or randomized search CV to balance bias and variance, because proper search prevents overfitting and improves generalization. Finally, evaluate metrics across folds, and on your holdout set to confirm. You finish by computing final evaluation metrics and visual checks, such as a confusion matrix or calibration curve, so you understand real-world behavior. Once satisfied, serialize the full pipeline with joblib and expose a minimal API that validates inputs, because deployment requires the same transforms used in training. If performance is worse than expected, first check for data leakage, misapplied preprocessing, or severe class imbalance. Those issues often explain failures, and fix them before further tuning.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.